variables. Variables in Java. Okay. First of all, what is variable? Anyone have any idea what is variable?
Sir, variable is a memory
Yeah.
where we
Variable is a
use can
memory
store data.
location.
Yeah.
Variable is an identity to give to memory location.
Okay, good. Everything is correct. Variable is a container. Variable is a container which holds the value, which holds or store the value. Okay. Now see here, when it will store the value while the Java program is get executed. While Java program is executed. This is the definition. Okay. Now see here, I'll just simply write first definition, then we'll discuss. Variable a variable is a container which holds or stores a data or value while Java program is executed. Okay. Now see, yesterday we have discussed about states and behaviors. I said states we will call as a variables. Correct? Now suppose here suppose you are writing a specifications about your plan. You will write in a paper, correct? Normally you will write in a paper. So that for everything you will give one name. So you will write color, whatever that is, color is black. Okay, name some XYZ name, everything you'll write somewhere. But in the same way, in the programmatical way, whenever you are defining a properties of properties of an object, it has to store in somewhere, right? To store some that in somewhere, we will use the variable. Variable will act as a container. Suppose you have said name is equal to Vishnu. Okay, in this container, it will store as a Vishnu. Okay, that is what variable is. Okay, why we need a variables? We need a variables to store a data or to hold a data. Okay, how to declare a variables? How to declare a variable? What is the syntax? Every variable is assigned with a data type. Every variable is assigned with a data type. Every variable is assigned with a data type. Sir, why we need a data type? What is the use to define a data type for a variable? Now see, simply I'll tell you, whenever you are storing a data, okay, suppose simply I'll tell you, whenever in your phone only check, in your phone, whenever you are storing a data, so you will store videos separately, you'll store images separately, you'll store documents separately, you'll create separate folders or not?
Yes.
Yes,
The
sir.
same way, whenever you are providing properties will be not only one type, right? Suppose see here, if I am providing here name, suppose I am providing here name XYZ. Okay, I'm providing caste. Okay, suppose I am providing mileage. Now see here, you are using alphabets, okay, in the form of words you are describing. Here you are using numbers, here you are using decimals. As a human, you know, but how to convey these are the alphabets, these are the numbers, these are the alphanumeric values to the machine? How to convey? By declaring the suitable data type before the variable name. How to tell that? by declaring a suitable data type before the variable name. Okay, now see here, first we'll see the syntax of a variable. First, whenever you are declaring a variable, first must and should be how to define the data type. Data type. Then for every, I'll tell you. Now suppose if you are separating your photos and all the things. For every folder, suppose if you are separating your pics, you'll keep like this, right? Childhood pics, college pics, tour pics. Like that you'll create our folders or not?
Yes, sir.
The
Yes,
same
sir.
way, why you are creating your separate folders? To access easily whatever you required. The same way, whenever you require the data that you are stored in a variable, that container has to be some name, right? Even if you sell to the compiler, go and get that data. Which data? Whichever stored in the that container, which container name is there, that it will go to that container, it will get back that data. So your name means identifier, and is equal to value, whatever the value you have to store, that value. Okay, now see here, I'll write a syntax. Just observe. First you have to provide data type. You have to tell the compiler this is this type of data. Next, identifier. Next, assigning operator. This is assigning operator. Then value. Okay, end with semicolon. In Java, every line is end with the semicolon. Okay, this is what the way of declaring a syntax.